cars and rock and roll. Rock and roll and cars. They go together perfectly. The only thing missing is a pretty girl. Well, and I got that covered with my song. In case you haven't figured it out by now, that's Mattea singing 455 Rocket. And this is my entry into Woody's Scale Model Garage Rock and Roll Group Build. I've had this kit sitting around for at least a year and a half, and I started it well, I had an idea in mind. I was going to chop the top, and I started, and I think I bit off more than I can chew. So it sat like this for a year. It's actually not quite as bad as what I thought it was. It's a mess underneath. I had watched something about, instead of gluing, melting the plastic together, and that's what I tried, and this, just to get it like this, has been a lot of work, and I'm still having difficulties with the A-pillars on both sides. I didn't know what to do with it, so when Woody brought this out, I knew the song I wanted right off the bat, just because I'm an Oldsmobile fan. And I thought, hey, since it's got a year and I got this one that, I hate to just pitch it because I'm not confident with my abilities enough, maybe I'll just go ahead and be working on this. It'll give me an excuse to work on it and try to finish it. I can't tell you what it's going to turn out like. I have no idea where the custom hood that comes with this model went. I didn't like the louvers in it, so I shaved them off and then it disappeared. Oh, look, there's my compass. I wonder what I had that out for. But, now Woody, hopefully you'll accept that I've gotten this much done, but as you can see, nothing else is touched with the kit other than my possible ruining of the hood. What really threw me off was when like I said, I wasn't using glue, I was using a soldering iron, and other places got touched, like over here, and some places on the trunk and the fenders, and I just got frustrated with it about a year ago, threw it in a box, and that's where it sat. Well, let's see if I can actually find an excuse and get some efforts done and see if we can make this look better. We'll just say better. I won't say great, I'll say better. So, thank you guys for watching, and check back soon. I'm sure we'll have some updates here and there on this one, as well as all the other fun and exciting videos I have at Pappy Tinkers. Hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you next time. Bye.